What's up, rock star? Welcome to Rock Your Best Vocals, where your best keeps getting better. My name is Jim Chandler, and this is what you need if you want to improve your singing. A belt on my head? No. This. A black belt in Taekwondo? No. But stick with this. This will all make sense. Stay there. Don't go away. Here we go. Okay, so I said stick with this. It will all make sense as I go through this. I promise. It's not just clickbait. Well, it is a little bit. But you guys need this if you want to improve your singing. So listen up. I'm using my black belt as a symbol of the fact that what you need to do to improve your singing is to practice. Not keep searching for some video of some different technique or something like that. You need to just put the practice into play. A lot of times we get so bogged down researching and looking for that next best video that's really going to help us, where really what you need to do is just practice with intent. That is the most important thing that you can do. So how do we practice with intent? Set aside a specific time that you will practice every single day. And you're going to make sure that you do that every day, even if you have to write it on a calendar. Consistent practice is what's going to make you better. A lot of times you think you master something and then you want to move on to that next thing. You have to master the basics, like in a martial art. Just punch, that's it, or block. You don't know how many thousands and thousands and thousands of those that I had done in order to go through each stage of the belt. It's not in the learning. A lot of times people just watch a video and they go, oh, okay, oh, I get it now. That's how you do this. And then they go, maybe do it once or twice, but they don't master that. They don't practice it over and over again. And until you practice something over and over again, you're not actually going to be good at it. You may understand it, but you're not going to actually know it. Of course, everybody knows this and it's so obvious, but so few people are actually doing this. You're clicking on this video because you're trying to find out how to improve your singing. Sometimes it's just better that somebody say to you, stop looking for videos. A lot of my students, the best ones, will practice over and over and over again. And that's how they get better. At this stage, if you even stayed this long, you're probably just going, oh, this is just motivational mumbo jumbo self-help crap. And maybe that's actually what you need sometimes. So I hope that this is really making sense for you and it's actually clicking with you. Mindset is so important, so key to singing. And I have studied and practiced mindset so much that it is so ingrained in me. It's my secret sauce and my superpower as a vocal coach, mentor, to break through your singing barrier. Anything that's preventing you from singing your best, a lot of it has to do with the mental. There's a lot that goes into it that's body mechanics, which just singing la la la's all day long is not going to get you there. You need the mindset and the body mechanics to apply to all of that and practice these things. And I promise you, with all of this stuff, you will get better. And this is what I help students with in my Bulletproof Vocal Confidence course, where I help you change the way you look at things to where you can succeed in not only in singing, but in your entire life. And this is a really life-changing, life-transformational course. So if that kind of thing interests you, click on the link down below for the free confidence training. And the next time that runs and the next time the course opens, you will be notified. There's a saying that I really, really love by Dr. Wayne Dyer. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. What that means really is when you change the way you look at how you approach life, you will actually see opportunities and things that you have never seen before in terms of like your own ability to succeed. I hope that's something that might interest you. Please click the link down below. Enough about that. I was also inspired to do this video today, particularly because this morning I read something in what's called the Daily Stoic. I want to read that quote which inspired me to do this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, one sec. Bam! Back in Clark Kent mode. Yes, I need these to read. Steven Tyler wears reading glasses now too, so that means it's cool. This is a quote from Epictetus. That's why the philosophers warn us not to be satisfied with mere learning, but to add practice and then training. For As time passes, we forget what we've learned and end up doing the opposite and hold opinions the opposite of what we should. Most of us actually have to do something several times in order to truly learn. One of the hallmarks of the martial arts is the hours upon hours upon hours of monotonous practice. Simply knowing isn't enough. It must be absorbed into the muscles of the body. Okay, and I talk a lot about this because we talk about muscle memory. When you sing a lot, you develop a muscle memory to where you don't actually have to remember what it is you do. There's a few key things in body mechanics and we kind of build on each other, but when you get all of them and you practice all of them together, you develop that muscle memory that you don't actually have to think about. It just becomes second nature to sing incredibly well. I'm putting together like a checklist of all these. If you follow me and subscribe and all that stuff, I'm eventually going to do a video where I put a link down below and you can see my list of all the things that I go through. Okay, so if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and I'll eventually put a link down below where you can download that for free. Okay, it's not there yet, but just hang on. Maybe I'll do that when I hit 10,000 subscribers. Wouldn't that be a special treat? Yes, indeed it will, because we're very nearly there, and I can't believe that largest venue I've played is 10,000 people. When I looked out all those faces, I just projected that love out to each one, and that's what I'm doing to you right now, projecting that love out to each individual person and like kind of looking at your face back. And I can actually see you looking back at me. No, I can't, but okay. But anyway, I can pretend to see you, and I have to do that to actually get animated in these because I'm just really staring at a camera, but really it's your face. I can see you. I liked my black belt so much, I went and got another one. There you go. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped. Please, for the love of your own voice, just practice. Actually, do you know what? If you like this video, if you appreciated this, smash the like button and kick that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you see the next one. And you will get that list eventually when I hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm going to put that list together and I'm going to put it down free in the comments. Rock your best vocals where your best keeps getting better. See you guys on the next one. Thank you.